Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Just gonna do like a spend the day with me, a little bit of a reset. I'm feeling really blah, it's kind of cold out, still in like leggings. So I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that I'm in leggings and work out. I've just been glued to the couch and my phone and the news, so I need to release a little endorphins. I'm doing a hair mask, so put it in a sleek bun, and that way I can try to pass off as being chic and looking like I know what I'm doing. Hi, Jeff.
Am I in it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you guys hear that wind? Holy, it's very windy out today. Let's curl the lashes. I'm gonna use this Ilia highlighter. The color is gorge, but I don't really like the packaging because it's hard to control. Like, I don't need this much highlighter for my face, you know what I mean? So I don't know if you're like supposed to mix it in with foundation to get like an all over glow. Actually, I find it dries really, really quick. So you kind of have to, oh my God, this is everywhere. This is getting everywhere. Ah, one sec. You can see it like picked up all the product, and I think even my sunscreen that I had laid down. Oh, here's where you can really see it, look. So I'm getting, it's like grabbed onto all of my skin. I have been using my retinol again, so I don't know if this is just some dryness, but it wasn't there before I put the highlighter on. Can you see that? Yeah, not good. So yeah, I don't know, this highlighter, it's really, really pretty, but it dries really quickly, and I find it kind of grabs onto whatever else is on your face. So maybe this is something that you put on first. I wasn't too impressed. I think I still look nice. I look fresher. Okay, and since I'm just sitting in my bra, I am gonna get dressed. OOTD today. This is an Aritzia tank top and my redone jeans that I ended up hemming because they were way too long. And then I think I would kind of do this, one second. Like this kind of situation. I don't normally wear layering like this, but I want to get more wear out of my Oxfords because I think they are really classic and just very effortless and chic. And this makes me feel like a little bit of summertime. So this is kind of the OOTD today. I got the Luxe Core set from Brooklinen, which is a more affordable way to kind of do your whole bed. So let me show you what we got. I wanted to just add a little bit of color. The bedroom is gray and so much in the bedroom is gray and white. So I decided to order the Core sheet set in the toffee color. It's such a nice, like earthy, orangey rust color, which I love. I'm so excited for this color. Before I put these on, very important, short side and long side is labeled. Very much appreciate. A good sleep is really important to me, and so is a space that feels just like inviting and aesthetic. And guys, sheets are expensive. I mean, depending on the size of your bed, a sheet set like this could run you easily over $400, probably more because inflation. So I really like how they're dedicated to cutting out the middleman to make styling up your home, your bed, and having a comfortable sleep a lot more accessible and affordable. I really love that they have a bunch of different colors to choose from, and you can even mix and match the colors, which is exactly what I did here. I ended up ordering the Luxe Sateen set, which is a 480 thread count. It's really soft, really buttery feeling. So I think we're gonna be having some good sleeps. Cozy, soft. I need coffee. And Brooklinen is very generously offering my viewers $20 off any purchase over $100 using the code MYCHAS. Yes, that's how you say my last name, MYCHAS. So everything you need to know will be linked in the description. Okay, what do we think? I think it looks really nice. Maybe, should I switch the pillows out? I thought the contrast would look cute. I don't know anything about bed styling, but I feel like I have a much chicer looking bed situation. Okay, also even though it's really windy outside, it's like 20 degrees, so you best believe that I am taking full advantage of the fashion opportunities today. Finally, no parkas and snow boots. I'm embracing it because I think tomorrow it's supposed to go down to 2 degrees, so yes, that's weather in Canada. Let me show you my most recent thrift. I ordered this jacket off of Depop. It's a vintage Eddie Bauer, like, I don't know what you call this. It's like a bomber kind of leather coat. Really beautiful quality, really beautiful leather. I think it fits really nice, like really cool, like oversized kind of fit. Here's another look at it. I think it's cool. Okay, see? How do we feel? Full look. Grocery haul. Okay, just a little mini grocery haul because I haven't done one for you guys since like 2017. This is definitely not a typical grocery haul. I just went to get some essentials because our fridge is pretty much just full of cheese and eggs. So I got some kale, mandarin oranges, green onion. I'm obsessed with having green onion on everything. A couple of apples. Jeff wanted sauce, so we're going with the Mac Daddy of all sauces. This dressing is so good. It has like canola oils and stuff in it, so it, you know, not something to have all the time, but it really makes eating salads a joy. I could definitely make my own, but I decided to buy this one. I'm gonna reuse this bottle when it's done and make my own. Some bananas and then some yu choy. I love this. Kind of steamed with garlic and hoisin sauce. And I don't always buy organic, but I don't know. This one just looked the freshest out of all the options that were available. All of this cost $37. I think not horrible in terms of an inflation grocery haul, but I didn't buy any other essentials like tofu, beans, meat. This is definitely not typically what I would pay. Groceries are running around like $150 a haul lately. It's really expensive here in Canada. And a lot of you guys had some questions about how I actually budget. So I try to, like, within half an hour of making the transaction, enter it into my Every Dollar app. All I do is enter the amount into the app, and then I'm gonna write here where I went, and I have $572 left to spend on groceries. Yes, groceries are very expensive here, and that's probably on the low side these days in terms of inflation. And the fact that we eat a lot of meat. I really want to try to make a better effort to actually eat a little bit more plant-based because we eat protein, like animal protein, with like every meal, and I'm kind of really actually starting to get sick of it, and it's just really expensive to keep up with. So, but to be honest, like in terms of like my meal prep and things like that, I'm not very good at it. I really don't prioritize it just because I am so busy like with YouTube and like all my social media stuff on top of my job. So I find my diet is the thing that tends to slip the most, and it's just like always a lot easier for me to like cook a chicken breast or have eggs, things like that. But yeah, lately I've just been starting to think about how I can incorporate a little bit more plant-based protein into my diet and just like have a little bit of fun with like recipes and sauces and stuff like that, because I'm also just like super bored with what I've been eating lately. It's nothing ever really exciting. It's like decently healthy, but it's, you know, I haven't been thinking outside of the box for a while. So if you guys have any like favorite plant-based recipes, sauces, things like that, leave me a comment down below. I'd be super curious to check it out. I need to rinse this hair mask out. It's been in for way too long. My hair's like dry. But I got influenced via TikTok to try Olaplex. So the only thing I'm like not a fan of is with the number 3, with the mask. You have to wash your hair first, then put the mask in, then rinse it out, then condition. So I feel like it turns into an all-day event, which I guess is why I only do it once a week and on like my slower days like this. So, I mean, maybe it forces me to slow down, but I find that cumbersome. And my favorite thing to do with old t-shirts is make them into hair towels because it helps with frizz. Apparently it's gentler on your hair. I'm just conditioning now, letting it sit for a few minutes. We're basically masking all day today. It's dinner time. I'm gonna make some lemon sriracha salmon. It's supposed to be lime. I don't have any, but this stuff is so good and it tastes good the next day. Okay, we're taking a break from Pam and Tommy to clean up. Right, Jeff? Okay, well, Jeff and I ate the salmon. We had a little bit of wine and then watched Pam and Tommy for the rest of the night. So I think I'm gonna call it a night here. Thank you guys so much for watching, for spending the day with me. I hope that you got to do a little bit of your own self-care and unwinding yourself. Thanks again to Brooklinen for sponsoring this video. If you guys were interested, then you can get $20 off a purchase over $100. Everything will be linked down below using my code MECHAS. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm looking forward to the sleep tonight.